Uh, Sir, it was a wonderful experience and very memorable. And especially the part where we had to, the suppressed emotion for females, I think it is very high. And this activities, it is so calming and cooling, and I'm just feeling very light. And like he said, he's been using gibberish language every day for everything, and I'm actually getting but in a positive way it is helping, because we're just expressing our anger with no words in it.
Correct.
That is the best part, and we have been using it.
Okay.
Especially he has been using it. And the one thing that I've just kept in my mind is change the posture.
Hmm.
Sit straight, change the posture. The moment I feel like I'm too much, मैं तो मेरा तो मोबाइल का त्राटक होता है.
Mm-hmm.
So suddenly I'll remember and I'll sit straight, and that is something that I've been implementing.
Great.
The practical sessions and the understanding, the knowledge, everything was amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, sir.